What is taking this idiot so long? You think I have all day?
Good evening, good evening. My name is Mr. Brown. Mrs.
Hey, Inkatikwain Abrafo.
You might not tired saying all that. What? Alright, here what? I'm gonna call you Sally, alright?
Please, I am a princess back home. They don't call me Sally. They call me Inkatikwain Brafo. So you two, you have to call me the same thing.
Well, listen here, Sally. You know that home, you're there, yeah. So I'm gonna call you Sally. Oh, right. Put on your seatbelt. You must want to feel.
People in Canada, they don't respect.
Alright, here what? We're gonna make a left over there, so, and make a next left. Alright? So whenever you're ready, check your mirrors, make sure you're good, and then you can start drive.
No problem. First we have to bless. We have to bless the driving experience, because nowadays insurance is.
Hey, missus, wait, hey, what you do? What kind of OBS something you do? Hey.
Please, allow me to do what is best for this driving experience, because nowadays insurance is raising.
No, but me not in them OBS something. Yo, you have to easy with the OBS something, you know. This is a driving exam, not OBS. Yo, you ready?
Please, hold this while I drive.
You must be mad. Oh, no, minus 2 points, Obia.
How did you get your license papers? How did you get your papers to instruct anybody?
Because I know how to drive already, unlike you. That's how I know. You know, Sally, you're bright and stink, you know. Where you come from?
Please, I am from the Edum village in Ghana. I don't need any disrespect from anybody right now.
Oh, you're one of them there. Alright, go right there, son.
Oh, God. Please, take away that minus you want to put on the paper. I was just starting, please.
Whether you're a start or you're a stop, you have to know how to drive. That's why it's called a driving exam. Let them look at OB or something stink up in here, you know.
Back home in my village, nobody talks to me the way you are disrespecting me.
Well, too bad you're not in your village. That may I try to tell you.
And where are you from?
Jamaica.
So you smoke the weed every day. That's all you know.
Yo, you know like how you gotta try come stereotype people, you know. Just because I'm from Jamaica doesn't mean I smoke weed. Alright? Obia lady. Oh.
I am not using the stereo to type anybody. I am saying that you smoke weed. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. More think like.
Back to sender.
Minus 5 points.
Again?
Stereotyping. Right.
No, this cannot be real. This is impossible. Please, instructor. All I'm doing is telling you how I feel. You have to respect me. You have to.
Me know you. Me know you from anywhere. Eh? Queen Fam.
Enkatikwain Brafo.
Are the same thing. Go and let me know you. Oh. So you're not gonna turn in lane?
Oh God, please.
You know, make sure my seatbelt good and tight, you know, because.
Hey, these cars are going fast. They are speeding. Are we on the highway? Hey, whoa. Trey.
He's. Who that? All right, you know, just go straight.
Hey.
All right, Sally. At this a stop sign, yeah, so?
Yes.
Make a left, right? Okay? All right.
said, okay.
Yes, make a left, right. Yo, what you do?
Huh?
Me say fi make a left.
No, you said right.
Me say make a left.
No, you said right. Make a left, right? That's what you said.
Why that? Me say you fi make the not go right, make.
I don't like this.
It's one of the people who can't understand proper English, you know. Shut.
Hey, wait.
Alright, you know what? Just go straight, go straight.
Oh, God.
I not even know what we're doing now.
Hey. Oh, wait, can we just pause for a second? I'm getting a call.
What? What you mean pause?
I'll park beside this G2 recycling bin. That's what I'm working towards. G2. Hey, you see, God is showing me signs. Hey, Acha. Me, I'm not busy, oh. Hey.
No, lad, I thought the lady no pull out her phone. What?
Oh, Nebanu. Awo. Sorry. Hey, did you see what she was wearing? Oh, God.
No, I can't believe this, father.
Almost see Gucci.
Lord,
Hey,
God,
Gucci auntie. Who cares? Sorry. He's showing. What are you doing? Are you showing God? He knows you already. You don't have to show anybody at church. Hold on.
Excuse me. You know, I finished the driving exam. Why you do up on the phone? This is a driving exam. You can't dep on the phone when you drive. Sally, come off my phone. Come off my phone, Sally.
Come on, eh? Where?
Come off of the phone.
Please. Before back. Jamaican way no. Hey.
What you just say about Jamaica?
Huh?
What you just say?
Nothing, please. Rice and peace. Maybe for. Is that respect what you did? Hey!
Minus 13. No what?
Please, I do.
You know, I have to take out my red. I have to take out my red pen for this car. Minus 13 upon the phone.
Oh, God. This is not fair.
Sally, fix up yourself. Fix up, Sally. You know what? Go around. Can we finish the driving exam? Can we do that?
Oh, God. Every time. Somebody told me not to drive with you, and instead, I didn't listen. I didn't take. Hey, Charlie.
Alright, like me I said, I know you know them OB or something, so try calm down with the spirituality and them something there.
Oh, I have something for you. Don't worry. I have something specially made for people like you. If you take off that red writing you put on that paper, you will not encounter what I have. Until then, you will meet.
Me what? I don't want to meet nothing.
You will learn. I will teach you.
Yeah, Sally, just calm down, Sally.
I will teach you. I will teach you a lesson you will never forget. I will teach you on Terraview Boulevard that...
Yeah, Sally, you threaten me, Sally? Eh? You threaten me?
I don't know what threatening is.
Alright, you know what? Exam over. Go back. We are go back. Because nobody will come try come threaten Mr. Brown, you know? Oh, coming like you don't know me.
It's coming like you also do not know who I am.
Do you know me?
Do you know me?
I don't know you. Oh.
That's why.
No, sir. Go back to the parking lot. Driving exam done.
Hey, please, I need this license, please.
And try fix up yourself. Fix up your tone, Sally.
Which tone? Please.
That tone, fix it up.
I don't want to fix up any tone. Black China is coming to my country for promotion for cream. If I fix up any tone, you will not recognize me.
Alright, you know. Sally, back to the driving HQ because we don't know what you do around here, so Sally.
They driving what? Please.
When we start, go back there, so. So no African people face you know, no, sure.
Hey!
Hey, what?
You don't respect. I told you, do you know who I am?
Me don't know you. I don't want to know you. You know who I be? Eh? Oh.
You be stupid. You are rude. You are an incompetent fool.
Alright.
You are a goat on top of a dry mountain.
Make a right over there, sir. Minus 18 points. Disrespect. Full. Bright. Go on, let's make a right.
Disrespectful, eh? I will show you.
Manners. Stay in this lane. Where you go? You go straight.
Straight?
Straight.
Straight?
Straight. You deaf?
I will show you what I am. Don't worry. Hi!
You know what?
In my kingdom, nobody can talk to me the way you are.
Oh, kingdom. What? You think this is Wakanda? Oh, kingdom. Keep your hand on the wheel. Oh, right. Alright, go straight. Alright, so the driving exam place, and make a left in there, sir.
In there where?
Right there, sir.
In there, sir?
Yeah. And careful, make sure you don't lick the pretty lady here.
Which pretty lady?
The pretty lady right there, sir.
Hey! Come and see. Hey, pretty. That's what you call pretty. You don't know anything. You have not seen what pretty is. I will show you something.
What you know about pretty? Look how you're chaka like.
Okay, what are my results? Please, what are my results?
Alright, you know what? Carry the 1 minus the... You fail! You fail. Big F.
Fail?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
What, you did expect to pass with them type of driving there?
Oh no. Please, John Brown. I have to pass this exam. My kingdom will not be happy if I don't pass this exam. They won't trust me anymore. Please.
It's no business about no kingdom. And it's Mr. Brown. You know?
No, please. I know you like the pretty cantaloupe. The girl you saw. I will show you better, please. Please.
You know better than that?
Yes, please. I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you. Okay. Hold on.
But you know say you did that in them OB or something, you know?
Yo. Okay.
What the bomb? Yeah. What the... Wait. Sally, are you that?
It is me. I told you, I am a princess of my village. I have to look good. Now pass me.
Okay, alright.
Cantaloupe.
Oh, yeah, that say look like watermelon. Good up.
Please. Let me see you pass it. Please.
Yeah, we can do something. Yeah, we can go up and look at data or something.
Yeah, of course, for sure. Please, just pass me, please.
Alright, baby.
Yeah, and can take coin.
Yeah. Pass.
Thank you.
Yes, you look good, eh?
Thank you. Hey!
Hey, whoa. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for taking the time to watch that video. I appreciate you guys. If you enjoyed it, share it, like it, leave a comment. And just a little news, I'm gonna be switching up the channel a little bit, just a little bit, don't worry. So I'm gonna be adding some things like challenges, doing some more stuff with my girlfriend. I will be doing the Caribbean skits same way, don't worry, so don't worry about that. But thank you, I appreciate you guys. I started a Patreon not too long ago, so if you want to help me out, support the kid, go check that out. The link is in the description box below. So thank you guys again. I appreciate all you gummies out there. Peace.